We are going to perform a Monte Carlo simulation for a given problem using at-risk software in Excel. First step is we have this question written here with the activity names A, B, C, D, E and their duration, optimistic, pessimistic and most likely. Expected duration is calculated from this part formula and then the standard deviation and variance is given. So coming towards the next step is to assign distribution to each activity for that purpose. Just go for I have these three columns here: uniform distribution, triangular distribution and PERT. For the uniform distribution for the activity A, let's go towards the distribution button here. Okay, this new interface is open here. It has the minimum value and the maximum value. Since activity A has the optimistic value of 2 and the pessimistic value of 7, that are minimum and the maximum values. So now these are two sliders here. If I move this slider towards the left side, it is showing me basically details that if for the activity A, having a duration of 3 or less than 3 days, the probability is 20%, and same goes for the right side. Again, for the activity A, having a duration greater than 6 days is the probability is 20%. And if I want to see that what is the probability for the activity A for having a duration between 4 to 5 days, that's the 20%, since 40 and 40 are given here. Okay, so if I want to copy this graph, simply I go here and copy graph and I'll just paste it down. Okay, I'll just say okay here. For the activity B, let's go towards the triangular distribution. Again, towards the distribution button here, and this interface is opened. Now we have this most likely value here that we didn't have in the uniform distribution. For the activity B, we have this input data here. Days 5, day 8 and day 14, again the same. And again with you can see here the slider. If I move the slider slightly to the left side, it shows that the activity, the probability of having the activity duration less than 6 days is 4.1%, and the probability of having this duration of 12 days or more than 12 days, the probability is of 7.4%. Okay, I'll just okay here. For the activity D, or let's say for the activity C, just the PERT, we'll see the PERT distribution here. Since for the PERT we have this minimum, most likely and maximum values are given. So what is showing here is that for the activity C, if I want for activity C to have a duration between 5 to 7 days, the probability is 78.6%, and if I want for the activity C to have a duration, let's just make it more compressed, and between 1 day almost, it's giving me, we can just simply put one value here also for is, let's say I want it to have duration between 5 to 6 days, the probability is 39.6%. Okay, so the next what we did was we have these graphs for the activity. Let's say if I assign the activity a uniform distribution, B a triangular distribution, C a PERT, and again D a triangular distribution, and E a PERT distribution. So that was all for today's task. Thank you so much.